Are you ready to purchase your dream home but don't know where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered in this video. Stay tuned, watch. We're going to give you tips and tricks on how to purchase that dream home. Hi, I'm Chris Blackwell.
And I'm Dina Ramos.
And we're real estate professionals with years of experience.
Over the years, we've had countless buyers who are trying to get the best deals possible, but without breaking their bank.
So in this video, we're going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to buy that perfect home. So one of the things I think we really need to talk about is planning ahead, and that's going to be a big thing throughout this entire episode. So, Dina?
Well, yes, planning ahead means evaluating your needs. And what does that mean? It means knowing what you're looking for. Think about it. What's important to you and your family?
Do you really need that 10-bedroom home whenever it's going to be your first one and in your 20s? Most likely not. But are you starting a family?
True. You know, it's just being realistic and then finding a real estate professional to help guide you through that process.
And that's real estate professional doesn't only mean a professional realtor. That also means your lending professionals, because your first step, along with talking to your realtor, is talking to your mortgage lender and getting that pre-approval.
They'll help set you in the right direction with your goals for home purchasing and provide you with options.
I mean, that's the greatest thing. Do not forget about that, because there's a lot of things. If you're getting creative with your financing, with your mortgage professional, do not forget about taxes. I know that we're based here in Texas, but all across this nation, people pay property taxes.
That's right.
And don't forget, even if you're renting, you're still paying property taxes. You just don't get the tax bill in your name. But I mean, tax bills alone in some areas, I mean, we can see from $300 a month to up to $700 a month. And that's just more on the lower end.
Exactly. So when you're looking at communities, that is a consideration that many home buyers forget.
It is. So, but that can actually play into, so before you even start, this is part of the planning process. Before you start going out and looking at homes, getting your realtors involved and like driving around, showing you like a crazy person, having that pre-approval letter is actually really going to help you. So
I would say also, start saving money now. Even if you're not ready at this moment, start putting away money. You're going to need it. Even if you have 100% financing at the end of the day, it's a wonderful thing to have a reserve in your bank account. You're going to have to pay for inspections.
You're going to have to pay closing costs.
Yes.
So closing costs, I mean, they're going to take your escrow, see how much you need to pay for taxes and insurance, and they're going to divide that out amongst the year, and they're going to escrow that mortgage for you. But then you actually have to, whenever you go to the closing cost or closing table, you actually have to have money set aside to start that fund.
Exactly. So depending on where you are, everyone's in a different place financially. Your lender will help you set some realistic expectations in regard to your finances, and the real estate professionals will help you set realistic expectations regarding your home buying. And as we know, different neighborhoods command different pricing.
Exactly. So you now have beautiful pre-approval letter. You've shared that with your realtor, and you've been evaluating what you actually need, number of bedrooms, number of baths, about how many square feet you're looking for, whether you're wanting a large backyard. These items are going to help you, but I mean, the biggest thing is going to be go visit potential homes.
Absolutely. Go through the neighborhoods at different times of the day.
And because that's really going to help. I mean, you may be thinking, oh, this is a beautiful neighborhood and everything, and then you come drive through at 5:30, 6 o'clock, whenever. Are there people outside? It's a beautiful spring afternoon. People are actually on their way home. Are they just all going into their homes and not being friendly?
That, or Little Bear was saying that he wanted to make sure that there was a nice walking trail or a dog park as well.
Well, because Little Bear should have a nice little walking trail. So get to know your options, do your research, look at properties, know how much you're approved for, start saving and planning ahead, evaluate those needs, work with your professional real estate professionals that will actually help guide you along this process. One last thing is, don't forget inspections whenever you're buying a home.
Absolutely. Inspections will save you much worry and headache down the road and regret.
All right. So once again, I'm Chris Blackwell.
And I'm Dina Ramos.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Managing your own properties got you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. You will be happy to know help has arrived. All your property needs and stress-free. One Innovative Management is here to help. $100 a month is all it takes. So when you're ready for a change, one that will change how you make money, One Innovative Management is here for you.